Hey, what's up everybody? This is Nick and you're watching Travel Hackers, where we talk about how to get the most out of all of your vacations. In this video, we're going to talk about our 10 must-have items for any beach or tropical vacation. But before we do, please hit the like button and subscribe if you're new to the channel. My family is about ready to go on a family reunion to Hilton Head Island. It is actually a trip for my grandmother's 80th birthday. So my family's really excited to be able to spend some time celebrating her birthday. With me and my wife being planners and packers, we started putting together a list of essential items for us. Now obviously going to a beach resort, some of these items were bathing suit, towel, and beach chairs. However, those aren't the items that we're going to talk about in this video. We're going to talk about the items that most people don't think about and could make the trip much more enjoyable. The first item is a massive, huge beach hat. Because obviously sitting on the beach with a huge beach hat looks completely absurd, but if you're really on vacation, you just kind of have to do it. I actually got this hat right before we went on our honeymoon to Aruba. Then I used it several times at the beach by us and even used it at Disney World. The next item is aloe. Because if you're not traveling with an aloe plant, are you really traveling? Now, obviously I'm joking, we just happen to have this in our house. My wife, she really likes to use this aloe. This has been growing for maybe about a year now. Every once in a while she'll cut off some and she'll use this aloe. But you always can just use the aloe that you can get from the store. Super easy, super soothing. And if you're at the beach for too long, you start getting sunburn or your skin just starts getting really dry, this is one of the best ways to really hydrate your skin. Number 3 is soothing face spray. Now again, the first time that I ever used this was in Aruba on our honeymoon a couple years ago. However, ever since I did get it, I continue to use it. It's very refreshing, really relaxing. The one that we got was like a lavender type of spray. Now, just haven't received it in the mail yet, but we ordered it off of Amazon, so it should be here any day now. The fourth item is a water bottle. If you have a little bit of a trek from your hotel to the beach, then you definitely want to bring a water bottle with you, because every time you're starting to get thirsty, you don't want to have to run back to the room. It is very easy to get dehydrated when you're laying down on the beach, and this is one of the best ways to prevent it. Now, this next item is one of my wife's items. It is a cooling rag. So all you need to do is you need to wet this, and then you can put it on your head, you can put it on your neck, you can put it on your face, and it keeps you a lot colder. And since she's 7 months pregnant, she definitely wants to make sure that she's doing everything that she can to not get overheated. So item number 6 is a portable fan. Again, this is an item for my wife. Really, it's an item for our newborn daughter whenever she's born. It is a stroller fan. However, since we were gonna get a fan, Hillary decided let's get one that we will be able to get the most amount of use out of, not just for this trip, but also once our daughter is born, we're gonna be able to use this on her stroller. Number 7 is actually in our garage right now, but it's just way too big to bring upstairs into the office. It is a 10 by 10 foot pop-up tent. It's the ones that are made for the beach or for outdoors at a park or something like that. It collapses into a pretty small footprint for a 10-foot tent. However, since my wife is pregnant, since my grandmother's coming as well, and she's gonna be 80 to this trip, we definitely thought let's bring the biggest tent that we have, so that if anybody wanted to go underneath the tent that they would be able to. We also do have quite a few younger children that they might want to be able to go underneath the tent to cool off between the times that they're running around and jumping into the water. This next item, number 8, it kind of goes along with the aloe and the face spray. It is lip balm. You know, if you're laying out at the beach, there's so many times just the wind, the salt water, the sun just completely dries out and starts cracking your lips, and you just need a little bit of extra moisture for your lips just so that it's not a painful experience. So lip balm. Now number 9, it is clips. So found these at Kohl's actually when I was trying to return something that I bought off of Amazon, and saw that they were on sale. Plus, whenever you return something from Amazon, you get the coupon to buy something at Kohl's. So These, we're able to get like 4 of them for like $7 total. So if you notice, these are Mickey shaped. And you may or may not know, my family is huge Disney fans. Love going to Walt Disney World and all things Disney. And coincidentally, the trip that we're going on is actually to Disney's Hilton Head Island Resort. So kind of works out pretty well for the vacation that we're going on. But these are perfect. You're able to clip your towel onto your seat, and in the wind, it's not gonna blow off your towel. There's so many times where I'll lay out my towel, then I go into the water, and then my towel's halfway across the beach. These will keep your stuff all together. Super nice, super convenient, and again, got a good deal on them. Now the last item that we have on our list is a portable speaker. Now this is just a super small Bluetooth speaker. I think I'm gonna probably get a bigger one since there's gonna be like 13 of us all together. But for me and my wife, it's really, really relaxing just being able to listen to some calm music while you're laying out on the beach. I guess you also can alternate this with headphones, or you might even want to just add in a book if you're a reader. So those are our top 10 items that we must bring on any beach vacation. Please comment down below the items that are a must for you to bring on a beach trip. Thank you for watching. Again, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and hit the bell icon for notifications. We post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, so don't miss a single video. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.